badass women who know what they want and they want to be here to have a good time and relax.
Been amazing. They've been like beautiful places to run. All of the venues have been like really great. The food has been outstanding.
I'm here this weekend with Oiselle, leading trail runs and how to trail run, so giving tips specifically on how to better run uphill, hike uphill.
My favorite thing about what I do in working with Oiselle is building community.
It's those unscheduled moments where you meet new people and connect with your friends that has been the total highlight.